Welcome to the Professor Vector channel. I want to give you a May update. First of all, in May, happy Mother's Day to all the moms. If you are not a mom, you probably know of a mom, might be married to a mom, and you might have a mom. So, happy Mother's Day, and if you can do some 3D printing projects for them, you can get some great filament deals right now at Zyltech. Zyltech.com. Use this code SPRING10 to save 10% off. If you missed the Spring 10, you can use my affiliate code, and that helps support this channel. And second of all, on May 1st, 1964, 60 years ago today, the BASIC program language ran its first program in Dartmouth College at 4 a.m. with BASIC, B-A-S-I-C, Beginner's All-Purpose Instruction Symbolic Code. It brought the programming language to the common man. So, BASIC is still used today in some places, so you gotta hand it to them for something that lasted that long. Probably more BASIC out there than COBOL. I don't know. And third of all, we want to talk about MFJ for all you hams. MFJ is closing their manufacturing doors in just a few days on May 17th. In Mississippi, they will no longer manufacture the MFJ product line. They still own a few other companies that they bought out, Bencher, Butternut. They'll still be supporting that. But if you need an MFJ product, now would be the time to think about ordering that and get it in there quickly before the manufacturing closes and the products are discontinued. So that's the May update. Please like and subscribe to the channel. We try to keep it short and sweet and to the point. Only about 10-11% of you people are subscribing, so we know there's a lot more subscribers out there, and I need all the help I can get. See you on the next one.